Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are working in Kumasi Kotwi, designing this house with a tarkwa natural stone cladding, as you can see. So I'm here today to give you updates. So nice and beautiful. So whatever it is, give us a call. Our service is available across the country, as you can see. So as for this design, we have involved a 10 truck. So far so good. He left only the pieces on the ground. Yeah, so watch the video from now to the end and have an idea how much it's going to cost you to beautify your home like this. So let's go. So as for this contract, the design will be side and side, you see. So okay, let's go here and see something. Yeah, so as for the side and side, the customer said that Steven, I want you to fix only the gray color for me for the side and side. You see, only the gray color, only the tarkwa gray color. You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, uh-huh. You see, you see. Oh, after I finish the side and side now, for the boss we did here, no, for these bosses, you should mix the colors. You see, that way when you pay attention here, you miss the colors of this place. As you can see, you see. You see. Here also the gray color na nice one. You see. You see as for this portion, you see the colors. It be red and grey mixed together, but this one, the red be more. You see, and this portion, the gray be only the grey nkwa. You see, so whatever you want, give us a call. We will do the same thing for you. Just tell us what you want, and we will do the same thing for you. You see, the stones is looking so nice and so beautiful. You see. So as for this contract, the person have involved 45,000 Ghana cedis for the stone material. You see, 45,000 Ghana cedis for the stones material. You see, cause we have involved a 10 truck that cost him 30,000 Ghana cedis, and the cutting of the stones also cost him 15,000 Ghana cedis. That will be 45,000 Ghana cedis. You see, so far so good. The cement we use like almost like 100 bags of cement doing this job. You see, doing this job, and our workmanship is 30,000 Ghana cedis. You see, doing this job. So whatever a day, give us a call. You see, just look at the stone. So fair, so nice and beautiful. So whatever a day, just give us a call. Whatever a day, give us a call. our service is available across the country. Bye bye.